tired of spending hours scrubbing your pool when you'd rather be enjoying it? I get it. Pool maintenance can be a hassle. That's why robotic pool cleaners have become a must-have for pool owners who want crystal clear water without the back-breaking work. In this video, I'll walk you through the 10 best robot pool cleaners available right now. Let's dive in and see which one is the right fit for your pool. Number 1. Gosvor LiteVac 800 Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you're looking for a lightweight, no-fuss solution to keeping your above-ground pool clean, the Gosvor LiteVac 800 might be exactly what you need. It's cordless, weighs only 7 pounds, and drains in just 15 seconds, making it incredibly convenient to handle, especially for busy households. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, this compact cleaner efficiently tackles flat above-ground pools up to 860 square feet. It delivers strong 50 GPM suction power and glides smoothly across the surface for thorough debris pickup. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the Dolphin Nautilus CC, a trusted name that delivers reliable and efficient pool cleaning with minimal effort. One of its best features is the active scrubbing brush, which tackles stuck-on debris without you lifting a finger. The top-load filter basket makes maintenance incredibly simple, and its plug-and-play design means setup takes just seconds. Drop it in, power it on, and you'll have a spotless pool in about 2 hours. At number 3 on our list is the AIPER Scuba S1, a cordless powerhouse designed to clean your pool's floor, walls, and waterline with ease. What really sets it apart is its upgraded WavePath Navigation 2.0, which optimizes cleaning routes to cover your entire pool efficiently, no wasted time or missed spots. Running up to 150 minutes on a single charge, the AIPER Scuba S1 balances power and runtime nicely, and with a generously sized filter basket, it traps everything from large debris to fine particles, leaving your pool crystal clear. Number 4. Zyerch Robotic Pool Cleaner. Designed for those who want powerful suction and intelligent navigation all in one. Equipped with a 7,800 mAh battery and a 180-watt brushless motor, this cleaner can work for up to 150 minutes on a single charge. Perfect for larger in-ground pools up to 1,614 square feet and depths of nearly 10 feet. Built to last, the Zyerch has a durable motor and 4-wheel drive system that can handle a variety of surfaces from tile to mosaic. And with simple one-button operation, you're just a click away from a perfectly clean pool. Number 5. Nepturox SAT25 Robotic Pool Cleaner. For those who want advanced technology paired with rugged performance, the Nepturox SAT25 offers a compelling solution. Featuring industrial-grade Caterpillar treads, this cleaner confidently climbs drains, steps, and corners, ensuring full pool coverage without slipping. Powered by dual 180-watt brushless motors with IP68 water resistance, the Nepturox delivers quiet yet powerful suction. Plus, with its simple one-touch activation, you're ready to clean in seconds. Number 6. WYBOT SC1 C1 Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you're after a high-tech, full-coverage cleaner with smart controls, the WYBOT SC1 C1 is worth a close look. This model boasts powerful suction with dual high-adhesion PVC brushes that tackle everything from leaves to stubborn dirt on all pool surfaces. It stands out for its advanced navigation system combined with 4-wheel drive traction. With multiple cleaning modes and a smart default program that balances runtime and coverage, it ensures every inch of your pool is spotless. Number 7. Dolphin E10 Robotic Pool Cleaner. For a simple, efficient pool cleaning solution, the Dolphin E10 offers active scrubbing power that removes debris effortlessly while being gentle on your pool's surfaces. It's designed to be plug and play. Just plug it in, drop it in the pool, and let it work its magic. With a runtime of about 1.5 hours, it's perfect for smaller pools or quick cleanups and comes from a brand with over 40 years of trusted performance. Next on our list is a budget-friendly pool cleaner, the ZIOOV Y20. This ultra-lightweight cleaner weighs just 6.6 pounds, making it easy to carry and maneuver. It runs up to 90 minutes on a single charge, covering pools up to 1,100 square feet quickly and efficiently with its smart zigzag navigation path. One of its best features is the auto parking function, which brings the cleaner to the pool edge when the job is done or the battery is low. Number 9. RERIOU SAT25 Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you need a cleaner that covers large pools up to 2,150 square feet, the RERIOU SAT25 offers impressive power with its 180 watts brushless motor and 45,000 pascal suction. It runs up to 150 minutes, giving you plenty of time to tackle stubborn dirt and debris. The cleaner also features auto mode for wall cleaning and self-parking capability for easy retrieval. Number 10. CoasTeering Robotic Pool Cleaner. Rounding out our list is the CoasTeering Robotic Pool Cleaner, a reliable choice for flat pools up to 850 square feet. Weighing just 7.7 pounds, it's easy to handle and quick to set up with a simple 30-second assembly. Powered by 2 strong motors and equipped with dual brushes and dual suction ports, this cleaner tackles debris efficiently. It runs up to 100 minutes on a single charge and features self-parking technology, so it automatically returns to the pool edge when cleaning is done or the battery is low. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest gear reviews and tips. Got a favorite robot pool cleaner or a question about which one fits your pool? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.